Looking for a party speaker that can literally shake the room? The TCL TP300K packs 340 watts of audio power. But is it actually worth your money? Here's everything you need to know. The TCL TP300K is built for parties. It features dual 8-inch woofers and 2.5-inch tweeters to deliver deep bass and clear vocals. Need even more punch? Just hit the bass boost mode. Planning an outdoor party? Its IPX4 splash-resistant design can handle light rain and water splashes, while the battery lasts up to 18 hours on a single charge. Want to level up the atmosphere? It comes with 8 built-in LED lighting effects that sync with your music. Connectivity is another strong point. You get Bluetooth 5.4, USB playback, aux input, plus microphone and guitar inputs, making it perfect for karaoke or live performances. You can even pair another compatible speaker using true wireless stereo for a wider, more immersive sound. So, is the TCL TP300K worth buying? If you're after a powerful party speaker with long battery life, bass-heavy sound, colorful lighting, and karaoke-ready features, it definitely checks the boxes. And no, it isn't a scam. TCL is a legitimate electronics brand, but as with any product, buying from authorized sellers is the safest choice. Would you bring this to your next party? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.